Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're covering diagnostic trouble code P2136. We'll explain what it means, what causes it, the symptoms to look for, and how to fix it, fast and simple. Let's jump in. What is P2136? P2136 refers to a voltage correlation error between the throttle position sensor, TPS, and accelerator pedal position sensor, AP. Modern vehicles use drive-by-wire systems, meaning there's no mechanical cable between the pedal and the throttle body, it's all electronic. These sensors must agree with each other. If the voltage readings between the sensors don't match, your ECU detects it and sets this code. Symptoms of P2136. When this code triggers, you might experience check engine light or reduced power warning, sudden loss of power or acceleration, throttle unresponsive or stuck, engine goes into limp mode, rough idling or surging. This issue can appear suddenly and feel severe. It's meant to protect your engine and transmission. Common causes. Here are the most common reasons for a P2136 code. Faulty throttle position sensor, faulty accelerator pedal sensor, wiring issues, damaged, frayed, or corroded wires, bad electrical grounds or poor connections, faulty ECU or software issue, rare but possible. Basically, the voltage signals from both sensors are out of sync, and the ECU sees it as a safety risk. Diagnosis and fix. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Use an OBD2 scanner to confirm the code and check for related ones like P2135 or P2138. Step 2. Inspect the connectors at both the throttle body and gas pedal, look for loose or corroded pins. Step 3. Test both sensors using a multimeter to verify voltage range and response. Step 4. If one sensor is faulty or readings are inconsistent, replace the defective sensor. Step 5. If all hardware checks out, a software reflash or even ECU replacement may be needed in rare cases. Don't forget to clear the code and perform a test drive to confirm the repair. And that's your 5-minute breakdown of DTC P2136, throttle/pedal sensor correlation error. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fast code explanations. Got a code bugging you? Drop it in the comments.